your weather authority. Brought to you by Strong Roofing.
Welcome back, everybody. Hope you have had a fabulous evening and enjoyed it, spending it with us. We appreciate it as well. Want to once again reiterate that we are thrilled to have the new Baron Lynx graphic system here at the WXXV Weather Center, and this is going to give us an advantage when it comes to storm tracking and also taking a look at thunderstorms throughout the year. 12 months out of the year, we're going to have the best software here at WXXV that gives us just that time. It's very crucial to give your family and your friends the notice here when there's severe weather, when there's any breaking information in the atmosphere. We'll have it first right here at WXXV. Graphics like this giving you an easier explanation and quicker understanding what's going on out there to get you out the door and into your day, or if you're getting back inside, what you can expect the next day as you head out into your week and further on into the future. What this is going to do as we move on here throughout the year and through the winter, we're actually going to prepare for the next severe weather season. Graphics like this going to give you the first and utmost decision making when it comes to preparing for severe weather and knowing what you can do to keep you and your family safe 24/7 right here.
Yes,
how about it?
Knowing that our viewers are going to be extra prepared just because of our new weather updates.
Right. And it's pretty too, 3D.
Yeah, absolutely.
And now, your weather authority.
Good evening, everybody. Once again, it's after 10 p.m. and we have the pleasure of debuting our new Baron Lynx Weather Graphics. It's going to give us the opportunity to take a look not only at your future this week, but also what happened over the past few days, why we saw that severe weather outbreak, as well as why the weather was so dangerous. But firstly, let's head outside and take a look at this beautiful shot right now. Traffic flowing smoothly across the bridge under beautiful conditions tonight. But with those beautiful conditions, a cloud cover is dissipated. A lot of that daytime heating escaped rather quickly, leaving your night quite cold as well. Here's a look at that almanac just for today, specifically on the calendar. Notice the records that are set for this specific day in December. And records in the weather community always at stake. It's important to remember that, but we have quite a bit of weather to talk about, so let's jump right on through it. Rainfall totals over the past few days now here in the southern parts of Mississippi, not quite as much as initially expected, but move gradually to the north and west. Even some areas in the WXXV viewing area like Bogalusa and Poplarville got 0.67 of an inch there up to our north and west. But over the past few days, here is what happened starting with Saturday. Yesterday we saw those strong to severe storms fire earlier in the morning along this cold front, and you saw the cold front move right on through areas like Arkansas, Louisiana, even parts of Mississippi, the region known as the Arklamis. And as that happened, started to encounter more juicy air into your latter part of Saturday, and that warm, humid, and moist air right ahead of that cold front acted as storm fuel, if you will. And as that moved on through, humid air acted to enhance some of that storm development. But as for today, here is what happened. We moved through the morning. The showers and storms you see there indicated on your graphic, they were initiated by this cold front, and it had already passed to our east at this point into the early morning hours. But as it moved further to the east, that daytime heating increased, and that warm, humid, and moist air now out ahead of the front to our east continued to provoke not only storms, but also heavy rainfall across the whole eastern seaboard of the United States. And that cold front continues to move eastward tonight, out off to the east, eventually going to clear out into the Atlantic. But us here, we're going to see the void in the atmosphere left behind by our current weather system. You can currently see moving off to the east. This is over the past couple hours, and you can really see these showers and storms moving on out to the east. And as they push on out of here, a metaphorical void. Thankfully, this week, it out your smiles, because we'll see clear skies across the area, at least for tomorrow and into the following day as well. But as of right now, temperatures across the area into the mid to upper 40s in the southern parts of the WXXV viewing area, including Gulfport, Biloxi, and Ocean Springs. Move a little bit further to the north, and you'll find Wiggins has dipped into the upper 30s. But on into this evening, we will see temperature lows into the mid 30s for some areas, just above that freezing point by a tad in the central portion of southern Mississippi. So I'd go ahead and take care of those 4 P's: plants, pets, and your people, of course, as well as those pipes. Go ahead and winterize those. But as for tonight, temperature lows in the mid 30s, quite cold, especially for southern Mississippi. So with that being said, if you're heading out the door, you want to really take a look at this 7-day forecast, because what you'll see is temperature lows dropping down into the mid 30s before we warm back up with some cloud cover. But with the cloud cover returns the chances for rain.